Women have 3 types of estrogens: estrone, estradiol, and estriol. Estrone we don't replace because it increases the risk of breast cancer. Estradiol is the one you hear of the most because it helps with the major symptoms like hot flashes. And estriol you hear about less, but many women notice it increases vaginal lubrication and skin quality way more than estradiol. It may actually reduce your risk of breast cancer as well. So you're probably getting the idea that estrogen replacement isn't as simple as just taking a pill every day. Different estrogens help us in different ways. So estradiol has to be balanced with estriol, which then balances with other female hormones. That's why before we start your estrogen replacement, we get thorough hormonal testing, including all of your hormones and thyroid. There are multiple ways to replace estrogen, but the most recent research shows that estrogen replacement through the skin is safest and most effective. At RegenCen, we prefer estrogen pellets because they offer a consistent delivery of estradiol over several months, so it's low maintenance, it seems safest, and the levels stay rock steady in the bloodstream. Many people still take the pill form of estrogen, but research is pointing away from pills because of risks like blood clots, heart disease, and cancer. Estrogen replacement through the skin or the vaginal membranes eliminates some or most of those risks, even for breast cancer survivors. Inserting pellets is done after your testing. The pellets are about the size of a Tic Tac, and they're placed just beneath the skin. Over about 3 to 4 months, the pellets reabsorb, and then we replace them. In addition to pellets, we often prescribe vaginal estriol to be used a few times a week for improvement in dryness. Women usually notice improvement in symptoms within a few weeks, but it takes a couple of months for the full benefits.